Hey y'all, welcome back. Got me a package. It's an old package, but that's besides the point. It does have a perforated edge. I'm about to grab for my handy dandy box cutter, but they made it easy because they know. I don't even remember what this looks like, but it's a surprise. Ooh, yes. Absolutely. What size is this? Okay. Obviously, I didn't purchase it. But shout out to Remy. Oh, yes. If you know anything about me, I am a comfy girl. I'm a comfy girl. I'm a comfy girl. This is, I did not know that this was footless. I thought they had the feet. But it doesn't matter because this is lit and it has a hood. That's really the important part here for me. Oh, it's soft. Yeah, this soft. It's nice. Little logo, little zip. The butt's not out. It's an all-in-one solid, but it's footless. And that works because sometimes I want to put on socks and have on shoes, you know? Like, I'm excited with this. Okay, so let's see. I have something else that I want to open. Let me just put this in my lap. Something else that's old, so I'm not even sure what this is either. We're gonna get in there and figure it out as a team. Oh my god, all the lint from this onesie is like flying everywhere, and it's in my eye. In my eye. Oh, what is this? What is this? What is this? That is smart. That is really smart that they did this like this. Yes. Okay, so basura. See, now I'm scared to cut it because it's vacuum sealed. Of course, it's blue, it's my favorite color. Let's just cut up here. Ooh. Okay. This is cute or whatever. Look, a piece of rug. Yeah. That's gonna look nice in my bedroom. Yeah. If you don't know, my bedroom is already like pretty much blue. Oh yes. It feels nice and soft. Oh gosh. Wait there. I next one is wrong so. Because I think I ordered 2 of these. So I have stuff that I need to stop. Oh, oh, oh. Don't drop, don't broke up nothing. You break, you buy. Shit. I don't know if I can take this down without. Alright, let me make sure I'm not putting my things on camera. But, oh god. Alright. Why are y'all watching me do this? Meanwhile, visit pointlesstalks.com for all things pointless. Like this foolishness that I'm carrying on with right now. Alright, so let me move this out the way. That's pretty. And I think this is the second one. I think I ordered 2. Let's see, let's see, let's see. No. What is this? Oh! I'm gonna cry. I'm gonna cry. I'm gonna cry. Oh my god. Do y'all know how much I do y'all know how much I love Aretha Franklin? Like I am I'm gonna cry. I'm gonna leave this in the plastic because I can open. Yes, I can take out my vinyl on this. Y'all, just look. Just look. Can you see? Oh shoot, I'm knocking stuff. Can you see? And then side two. Never loved a man the way I love you. Do right, woman. Respect. Dr. Feelgood. Baby, I love you. You make me feel like Chain of Fools had me in a chokehold. You hear me? A chokehold. When I was like 10 years old, I was running chain. Oh my goodness. Since you've been gone, ain't no way. Think you send me the house that I say a little prayer. See, so I'm not even about to put this back in the box because I'm about to go for a Christmas dinner. But when I come for the next, I don't know how long, this record is going to be on repeat. Like I'm probably not even gonna put this workstation. I take it down every time so that I can do this. I'm probably gonna just set my vinyl player up right here and just put this shit on because I'm gonna cry. I'm gonna put this over to the side because it does not deserve to go on the floor. The other things were mats. So this one has to be the other one then. Has to be the other one because I was not expecting that. I'm gonna cry. I'm going to cry. Literal tears because Aretha. Yes. Yep, this is the other one. Like I said. What is this? Okay, so there's something in this. What is this? Oh shit! Oh, excuse my language. I did not realize that I bought another. I love these shorts. These shorts. When I tell you, I have a pair that I wear for Carnival and like for Juve because they stay up. You hear me? They suck everything in and stay up. Like, and they got pockets on the sides, got a pocket here and a pocket here, and they do what, and they so soft, baby. So when I got money and buy cheese, that's what my mom, this is a perfect example of what my mom always says to me when I get a hot dollar and I be spending money and don't realize or don't like, you know, go buy fuckery. I am cussing today, but whatever. This is an adult programming. But yeah, she always said when dog got money and buy cheese, and look for me, dog buying cheese. Cause I said dog not supposed to eat cheese. But anyways, thinly cutting above the line where this ends. Oh, I see it. If you haven't guessed it, my favorite shade of blue is royal. Oh yeah, watch ya. Yeah, I'm gonna spread out on this. Yeah, spreading out. I can go on. Look how nice. I'm gonna make sure so this, you know, fuzz it up so it can fuzz up real nice, and you know. So yeah, we have a blue, the long one, and a cute little blue one. My friends are gonna be so sick of me when they see my room. The few that know, they know. And my little shorts, I'm gonna forget about, and my onesie, and I don't need nothing else, you know? Don't need nothing else. I did get something else, but I was too excited and I opened it because I already knew what it was. It was Griffinder memorabilia, well not memorabilia, like clothing. So there's that. So yeah, hoping everyone had a happy holidays. Sentiments and condolences to everyone that did not. You know, so it's a rough time of year and everybody will go through something. So just go on with it. We're gonna make it through. We made it this far. 2023 was a rough girl. 2023 did wicked, you know. I'm not gonna say it was the worst year for me, but it did rough. 2023 was a rough year. So we make it. We reached the bottom. We have 1 week left before this this gone, so just make the best of it that you can. And you know, just like everything else we do here, make sure you subscribe to everything over Pointless Talks, Pointless Creates, the website, the YouTube, Instagram, Twitter, streaming platforms, all of that. And just like everything else, whether you got here on purpose or by fate, thank you so much for watching this Pointless unboxing. Bye.